One, two, three. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. I hope you like, comment, share, and subscribe. So hi, I'm Taliana Ratin, and yes, I am feeling my hair. My hair looks so good. Yes, this is a braid out, a bomb braid out, and trust me, usually my ear don't listen to me, so this is a rare occasion, and I'm like feeling myself. I'm supposed to be going to school right now, but you know, I'm sure you know my ear look, cause it looks so bomb. So I post videos every Friday between 12 to 5. So make sure that you subscribe and click the notification bell so that you will be updated every time that I post a video. And I just want to thank you guys for subscribing. Like, I was just so shocked to see that persons actually are interested in my video. So if you want to see how I get this bomb define braid out on type 4 hair, just continue watching this video and remember to subscribe and share this video if you found it helpful, and have a blessed and wonderful day. Yes, so you see me with a spray bottle, a clip, my cocoa butter, styling cream, and of course my scissors. Oh my gosh, my elastic broke. So I'm using my fingers to define my part because, as I said before, I do not use combs. I prefer to use my fingers because my strands are fine to medium, and I prefer to finger detangled instead of using harsh comb and brushes on my hair. So I just pull out a knot, and because I don't have enough clips, I do have clips. I just forgot to bring clips. So I just twist it. So now I'm spritzing my hair water, adding my styling cream, and now I'm finger detangling. And trust me guys, I'm being so gentle, and I'm sealing all that goodiness with my cocoa butter. And then I begin to braid, and then I add more product to my ends in order to prevent frizz and to keep my ends moisturized. And then I twist it and then twirl girl. And then I just repeat our process again. Spritz water, add my moisturizing styling cream, smooth that in. I'm doing the praying hand method, and then I'm finger detangling my hair in order so that my hair can be smooth and remove the shed hair, smoothing it in with my butter, doing the praying hands, separating my hair into 3 parts. Well, for me, it don't matter whether or not it equal because I usually just twist the ends because I just like the look. And then I just braid, and then I add more product to my ends, and then I twist and twirl the ends, and I do that until I'm finished all over. I have about 12 plaits in my hair overall, so I'm just continuing that process again. And guys, I'm just so happy that you are subscribing to my channel. Like, I'm just so shocked that you guys like me that much to subscribe and like and comment, and I'm truly grateful. And I just know we are gonna grow, you have to start somewhere though, and we are gonna glow up, and people not gonna believe so our channel are gonna grow so much, but it are gonna grow. Yes, so I'm just to speed up the video for Uno because who wants to see me braid my ear for an hour and a half, because it took me an hour and a half to braid my hair because my hair was in a big old bun. Somebody have to finger detangle it to the point where it's smooth so that I can eliminate as much frizz as I possibly can. But guys, I really am grateful that you guys are subscribing. Like my video, share it if you find it helpful, like leave a comment. Constructive criticism are good. So what I'm doing, this is actually Friday, So I add my coconut oil to my hands and add it to my hair in order to reduce as much frizz as possible. And I usually like to keep my braids in for 5 days because my ear take long for dry. And me not about that life. Me I work so hard for get my ear to look proper and then it don't come out good. No. So I rather to do the safe route and keep it in for 5 days. So just enjoy me pulling out my hair. I'm going to slow it down for you guys right here so you can see the process of me pulling out my hair. And look at that definition, guys. Look at that definition. Look at my hair. And guys, I never use no gel, no gel. This is just water, styling cream and butter. So if you want a longer hold, use gel in your hair. But my hair is naturally frizzy, so I don't really care for gels. I add more oil to my hands so that I can separate my hair to eliminate as much frizz as possible, because as I said, my hair is naturally frizzy, so if I can reduce as much frizz as possible, that's what I'm going for. But there's nothing wrong with frizz give you big hair, big volume, so I'm separating my hair where it naturally wants to separate to eliminate as much frizz as possible, so I don't force it. I feel my hair, and where it starts to separate in my fingers, I just separate it there, as you can see. So just enjoy this video, guys. This braid out is just so bomb. I'm just like obsessed with this braid out. Looks so good. My hair just growing and flourishing, and I'm like, yes, grow and flourish and be thick. So I don't separate the top part because that's going to give the illusion of more definition than it actually have. So I'm just looking at it and cue slow-mo. Yes, hold them.